Dad, can we go to the beach today?
Please, Dad. I want to see the sea.
The beach? That sounds like a wonderful idea.
A family day at the beach sounds lovely.
Yes, we can go today. Get ready, children.
I will pack food and water. We need everything for the trip. I'll get the water, and I have the snacks.
That's my team.
I am ready. Me too.
Let's go.
Stay close to me. I am so happy. This is going to be fun. I'm glad you're excited, sweetie.
We're going to have a great time.
Wow, the beach is beautiful. Look at the water.
It's a perfect day for the beach.
I packed all our favorites.
Be careful.
Stay together. Okay, Mom, let's go, Haskey. Let's make a sandcastle. Yes, let's do it. I'll make the tower. I'll make it smooth. This is fun. Our castle is big. Oh no, the water! Run!
Whoa! Careful there!
It's okay, kids. Whew, that was close. Our castle! That was funny. Yes, I like it. Come and eat.
Take a break. This is tasty.
I am hungry. There's plenty more, sweetie.
Enjoy it, kids.
Catch the ball! I got it! Throw it back. Here you go. Wait, this is fun! Oh no, my ball! Where is it?
It's heading for the water.
Don't worry, we'll get it. Oh no, my ball! Where is it?
Don't worry, kids. It's just near the water.
We'll get it together.
Don't worry. We will find it.
I found it! Great!
Good job, Mary.
I'm so glad, sweetie. Let's play.
Let's play again. Yes, let's play.
They're having so much fun.
It's a perfect day. Let's play again.
Yes, let's play.
They're having so much fun.
It's wonderful to see. The water is nice. I like the beach. Splash! This is fun. I like the water.
They are happy.
Yes, it is nice. The sky is orange. It is beautiful. Time to go. Let's pack up. Okay, Dad. I'm ready. Today was fun. I like the beach. I am tired. Me too. We are home.
Good day.
I'm tired.
Me
Family time is special.
We are happy together.
I am sleepy.
Me too.
Time to sleep.
Okay, Mommy.
Good night.
Night.
Today was fun.
I like the beach.
Sleep well.
Night. Sweet dreams.
Good night, my sweethearts.
Good night.